Okay, so I was hoping to have that video just pause and then pick up so it wouldn't be a separate video. It would be one continuous video, but I wasn't quick enough. So the camera paused, so I'm starting a new video. And you know what, before I go and start this up, I put the plugs in. Let me just give you what we have here. LF200, I think it's an XB. I'll give you the, looks like it's got a build date of 0613.
That thing blown up?
No, running good. So, I just started it up. Idling okay. I'm going to put it in reverse. Okay, it's in reverse and it's pulling. And here's what concerns me. If I give it a little bit more throttle, something is going to bang in there. Okay, giving a little bit more throttle. A little bit more throttle. Boom. Did you hear that? Let's try it again. Coming to neutral. Okay. Put in reverse. Cleanly in reverse. Idling along in reverse. I'm going to give it a little bit more throttle. A little bit more. Boom. Right there. You could see the engine shake a little bit. You could hear a little bit of the bang. You're probably not going to hear it on the video as much as I can hear it in person, but it's definitely like a secondary engagement in the lower unit. I'll try it one more time. Boom, right there. You could see the engine shake. Okay. Shut it down.